Hi, I'm Fara Elizia, General Manager and co-owner of MIWA Manufacturing Sdn Bhd. We are the manufacturer of fruit-flavoured jelly drink under brand name MIWA Oli. We have been in the manufacturing business since 2007 and has been a loyal RHB customer ever since we started this business. When I got to know that Financio has integrated the system with RHB Reflex, I jumped at the opportunity to use the software. As the business grows, I don't have time to go through the tedious accounting chores. What I disliked was re-entering the same information on multiple platforms. A lot of time and effort was spent on manual data entry and cross-checking. We tried some other accounting software, but none of them seemed to fit our needs, like Financio. Banking and Financio can be found under the RHB SME solutions. When this integration in place between RHB Reflex and Financio, I could easily and accurately issue payments to suppliers and reconcile my bank account directly from Financio. So I have eliminated the need to switch back and forth between accounting software and online banking portal to issue payment instructions. I'll have to say that this integration has significantly reduced the risk of entry error on our end. Thanks to RHB Financio integration, you can say I am a happy user. Having gone through Excel sheets and other accounting software, I can safely say that Financio is a great accounting software for a business owner like myself who aren't really an accountant but know a little bit about accounting. Of course, it'll take a little effort to get started, but it is definitely worth it. With RHB SME solutions, I can spend more time doing what I am passionate about, which is growing my business. Furthermore, I continue to see constant improvement in the software and I am super excited to see Financio growing too.